All right, guys, so I picked up the 2025 Ram RHO. This thing is super fun. I'm coming from like an inline six world. Like, I love the inline six, twin turbos, twin scrolls, all that stuff, like the BMW motors, N55, N54. These trucks are finicky. I haven't had any issues, but I'm reading a lot of reviews. I'm reading a lot of other users' problems, and it's a lot of like electronic stuff. But for me, in terms of the motor, in terms of the sound and the power, and also the power capability with supporting mods, these motors, I love them. As long as the internals are good, which apparently the RHO has forged internal parts, some of it. So it is stronger than obviously the normal Hurricane motor. The Hurricane high output is obviously what's in here. I'm heading over to Costco and I'm going to film the drive on the way there. I'm gonna have the exhaust mic'd up so that it's a bit better for you guys to hear. It's a full Catback AWE exhaust on it. And it also has a carbon fiber AFE cold air intake on it. So let's get on with the drive. Obviously, it's going to be extremely loud because it's mic'd up right at the exhaust tip, so it's obviously not going to sound like that on the inside in the cabin, but it sounds sick. But what's great is when you're just in drive and you're in the normal modes, you cannot hear it has an aftermarket exhaust on it at all. It sounds really, really good. But then when you want to get onto it, obviously you guys heard those upshifts. They're absolutely just insane. It has the AFE cold air intake, so you hear turbo spool from the engine bay while you're inside quite a lot. So keep in mind, it's not going to be that loud. But guys, this truck is amazing. I love it. I actually am coming from, it sounds crazy, but I'm coming from a 2015 Rolls-Royce Wraith, and I had an 2018 Audi R8 V10. This thing, I swear to God, and you might not believe me, is smoother on the street than my Rolls-Royce Wraith. And mind you, my Rolls-Royce was 10 years old. It was a 2015, but this thing, in terms of interior, in terms of comfort, in terms of tech, like AC massage seats everywhere. I got AC seats in the back. We got a ton of goodies in it. We got good heads-up display. Obviously, the look of the truck is amazing on the outside. It's just really hard to beat this truck for the price. So obviously, it's a newer platform, so there's going to be some bugs to work out, but You work through it, you keep the truck healthy, you own it for a long time. Feel free to subscribe on my YouTube channel, and I'm also on Instagram at Cole C. Cummins as well. My account's private, but obviously if you're watching this video, send me a follow, and we're good to go. Talk soon.